This video will cover the Vertiv DSView Solution RM1048 credential profiles and enrollment to the MP1000. Before we begin, log in to the MP1000 web interface. On the left-hand side, select Administration and Credential Profiles. From here, add a credential profile using the login information for the RM1048. On the left-hand side, select Targets. From here, select the plus sign in the right-hand corner to add a new target. Once the RM1048 has completed adding to the MP1000, you can manage and configure it as well as its targets from the web interface. If any of your targets have different login credentials than the ones used in the credential profile, you can create another credential profile and add it directly to the target of the RM1048. Now you've successfully enrolled your RM1048 to the MP1000 platform.